Trader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is meant for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Do turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. We do have a lot of best forex broker outside there. Make sure you open a demo account on a regulated forex broker. Try out all the strategy you have or this particular strategy on demo account and see if you are profitable before you go live. It is important that you try out every indicators or strategy on a demo account before you go live. Do not fund your account without practicing on the demo account. Now let us dive into today's strategy. On my chart here, I have few indicators that have combined together for this winning strategy. Just follow me closely. I will show you how to use this profitably. On my chart, I have these indicators here. This is a MPA indicator. This is RSI indicator. This is leader of MACD indicator, and I did combine other indicators with this. Now, how do I use this particular strategy? All the indicators must be in agreement before you take any particular trade. At this point, I have the two line averages crossing at this particular point, and they did change color, and this is a good buy. Before then, we have this giving us a buy signal at this particular point, but no agreement with other indicator until this particular zone, and when you check the other indicators, they did agree. So this is the best point for you to place your trade for a buy, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low before these strategies or this signal was generated by this strategy. And for a set signal, we have a confirmation with the moving average here where they did change color. Both of them did change color, and when you look down, this RSI gave us a sell signal earlier, and the other indicator did confirm at this particular point. So this is the right point for us to place this particular trade, and it did deliver. And your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high before the signal was generated. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and anyone can actually use this profitably. Just make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. You can use this particular strategy on any forex pairs you want to trade, either Euro USD, Great Britain Pounds USD, and the rest. This can be used on indices like a Nasdaq, US 30, and the rest. You can use this on Meta like gold or silver. So let us move on and check other pairs or time frame. Let's check other time frame first. Now yes, it on the 5-minute time frame. It's still the same methodology. We have sell signal generated here, and all the indicators did agree at this particular point. For a buy, we have a confirmation here, and it did deliver. Here is another buy signal that was generated, but this did not deliver. So no system or strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why you need to use a stop loss. It is good you follow money management as you trade. So let's check Nasdaq out. Here is a buy the signal. Here at this particular point we have all the indicators in agreement, and for a sell signal we have the moving average crossing, and we did have a confirmation at this particular point, and it did deliver. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. And here is it on 1 minute time frame. On Nasdaq, it's still the same methodology. And if you want to trade on a lower time frame, want to scalp on lower time frame, you can go back to 15 minutes and check what we have here. On 15 minutes time frame, the signal are down right now, so you can go back to 1 minute time frame to scalp in the direction of 15 minutes. So the only trade you will take right now is a seller's trade, because on 15-minute time frame the signal is actually down. And here's another good point for you to place this particular trade. Is in agreement with this. We did have these arrow indicators also. I have a few indicators that I did combine for this particular strategy, so I do not want to go over it one by one. Just make sure you download the indicators. The download link is in my video description, and I did include my template so that you have the same chart like mine. You can check it out on any pairs you want to trade on any time frame. All depends on you. Just make sure you trade with money management. Make sure you use stop loss and do lock part of your profits as you trade. It is important that you follow money management. Here is it on Nasdaq on 1 hour time frame, and on 15 minutes we still have the same signal, good signal generated by this setup. You can see we have good signal generated by this strategy. It is profitable. And let's check it out on US 30. And here is it on US 30. Still the same methodology. The other indicator you see here, this demarcation, these are just the section, different section. We have the Asian markets, the London and the US opening, the New York market. These are just the section. What I do is to look out for signal at any of these section, and that's the best point for you to look out for signals that you want to trade at any of these section. And most likely I don't trade this Asian section because I'll be sleeping by then, so look out for signal at the other section. So on US 30 we have the same setup. Here is a sell signal generated from the previous day, and the continuation did continue. And here you see this is another point for you to enter with this arrow for continuation, and your stop loss will just be few pips above this level. So this is how to use this. Make sure you download the indicators. The download link is in the video description, and I did include my template so that you have the same chart like mine. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and make sure you practice this on a demo account. Familiarize yourself with this strategy before you go live with it. And do not forget to turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy. I will appreciate it if you will give me a thumb up. and do share this particular strategy with your friends and other forex traders. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.